The founder of Hardin-Simmons University, Dr. James B. Simmons, was widely known for asking almost everybody that he met two big questions. The first question was, what is the greatest thought that has ever entered your mind? And then what is your duty to fulfill it? These two questions give you a small glimpse into how Dr. Simmons thought. He believed that each and every person created by God are purposed and are capable to carry great thoughts, big ideas, and huge dreams. He also believed that every single person had a duty to take those great ideas and do something about it. Through the course of this workshop, you're going to be asked a series of big questions. These questions are meant to spur up ideas, critical thoughts, meant to help you dream and to reflect on the things that matter to you. So, I want you to take some time to think about what you just heard today. I want you to see if there's any sparks or big ideas that have come out that maybe you haven't thought about before, or maybe it's an idea that you've thought about for a long time that just keeps coming up. I want you to take these sparks, these ideas, and read the reflection question below today. And then when you're ready, take a moment to answer the question. And I'd encourage you to go slow through this. Take a big, deep breath, pray, journal if you'd like, but take a moment to reflect on this question. And when you're ready, go ahead and answer it. You just might find something really incredible about your purpose or about yourself.